State your name for the camera.
I'm Thomas Paris, number 17. That's the number to give me. And read for Richard. Explain to me where I went wrong.
Dad, I'm sorry.
I don't want to hear it.
Don't you think this is hard for me too? It's too late to do anything about it. So you can just save the lecture. It was a mistake.
A mistake? A mistake, Allison? You lied to me. You lied to everyone. If your mother was here, she...
Okay, I get it. I'm a disappointment. Punish me and just get it over with.
Going off and having a baby is punishment enough. You don't know, I should blame myself. Your mother, cousin.
Tara agreed to watch Angel for a while. It was her idea.
She's not your mother, Allison. You need to grow up and start taking responsibility for yourself.
I don't know what to do, Dad, after everything. I think it would be the best thing for her.
Thank you. Thank you so much for coming.
All right.
Thank you.